What's going on Instagram? In this video, I'm going to be talking about 2 ways how to make money in 2018. So if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say an absolute welcome. My name is Andre and I talk about how to make money, entrepreneurship, and this channel is all about love. And shout out to anybody. If this is your first time to my channel, I want to say an absolute welcome. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like, turn on your notifications. Every time I shoot a new video, you are going to be the first one to know. All right. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. And before we get started, if you guys really want to know how to make money, and if you want to know the 2 ways how to make money in 2018, right now in the comments area, I want you guys to drop "make money 2018" in the comments area. So I'm going to jump into things. So the very first way how to make money online in 2018, the first one is e-commerce. And if you guys don't know what e-commerce is, e-commerce/Shopify is a great way how to start make money. So what you could do, you could sign up for Shopify, and on Shopify, they'll give you like a 7 to 14 day trial, I do believe. And then after that, you definitely have to pay a monthly fee just to get started. So the first thing, and Shopify is international. It doesn't matter where you are. You could just set up your business right away and you can get started. So how does Shopify work, right? First, you got to sign up for the Shopify platform. Then you have to find drop shippers or companies who has products that you want to sell on your own website. So there's many different ways how you could do it, right? You could drop ship from Alibaba Express. I know it's in China, but you can start that way. And then they have some stores in the US and also in Canada as well. All right. So if you just started off, I'll highly recommend you start off with drop shipping. So you can drop ship stuff in China. Do keep in mind that on your website, you got to let your customers know that the products will be shipped to their home anywhere between 2 to 3 weeks. It can even take longer depending on the season that you're in. I know this is the 4th quarter and 4th quarter is extremely busy. So yeah, if you do want to learn how to make money, I don't care if you just start your Shopify store. 4th quarter, a lot of people buy. So you just got to learn and figure out what's the winning product and what's hot and what's not. And how you could do that, how you can find winning products. There is different apps out there that you can sign up for. There's an app called Product Genie. There's a couple different ones that you can use. And also you could search on Google and just see what is it that is hot, what's trending, and what is easy to sell. Now you can open a general store or you can open like a niche store. So let's say you want to go into baby niche, or you want to go into like, sporting, or, you want to sell like clothing and all that kind of stuff. So pick a niche, something that you love. You definitely do not want to pick something that you absolutely hate. You just want to sell it just to make money. You want to think about a long-term, and think ahead. So pick a product, pick a niche that you want to get into. So Shopify is a great way to start off. And I'm also going to leave a link down below if you guys want to, start a trial. And one way you can go about promoting your product, you can use Facebook. There's the marketplace. You can use that as a free method. And a lot of people don't really talk about that, but you can use Facebook market page. You can even create your own Instagram account as well. So Instagram account, create an Instagram and a Facebook page for that specific store and just get people to start looking at your stuff. And Facebook marketplace is a great way you can put your product, advertise it, and people will definitely check it out. All right. So that was the first way of how to make money online in 2018. Now I'm going to share with you way number 2. So number 2 ways of how to make money online is definitely affiliate marketing. I love affiliate marketing. I love doing it. And what affiliate marketing is basically you're selling someone else's product without you owning it. So if you could sign up for Amazon. Amazon has the largest affiliate marketing platform. You could sign up for web hosting, right? A web hosting platform. There's autoresponders out there, platform that you can use. There's also different companies such as like, a network such as like ClickBank. There's JVZoo. There's so many different platforms that you could sign up. So on ClickBank got a large variety of different products. So whether it's health and wellness, whether it's dating, relationship, right? Whether you want to go sell a book on how to, keep your dogs busy, get them more exercise, or maybe it's just a cookbook that you would like to refer. So now you could grab that link and then you could share it with others. Some people like to start off with their friends and family, which you could start off there. If they want to learn something that is interesting, of course, grab that link and just give it to them. All right. So my number one way of make money online, especially in 2018, is a company that I've been very privileged to be a part of. This Zoom is going in and out, but it's okay. You guys get the content, right? So it's a company that I'm very part of. They teach education and they will teach you how to make money online, right? It's not just that, but they want to build you as a marketer. So they're going to teach you how to promote on Instagram, right? How to promote on Facebook, how to promote on YouTube, different platforms that you can be a part of. And also there's products. If you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing, they have an affiliate marketing blueprint. If you want to do coaching and consulting business, of course they do have coaching and consulting. If you want to create your own events and mastermind, they have those as well. And if you want to create your own digital products, that's a great way, because there's a lot of people out there with a lot of information that you can create digital products that people can actually buy. So let's say you are an electrician, right? You're an electrician, you've been doing electrical work for 20 plus years or even more, and you want to compile your knowledge into a digital platform. This company has a product that teaches you how you can actually create your own digital products, right? And if you guys really want to start stepping up your game and you really want to know how to make money online in 2018, my advice to you, anything that you do, just make sure you go all in. Don't just go in there and dip your toes, because if you dip your toes, that's the result you're going to get. Step in, push yourself and try to earn the money that you deserve. I know most of you guys are probably working, you're still working, but remember, you're only doing that temporary. You just got to push yourself, right? And if this is something that you really want to do and you want to work online and you want to learn how to make money online, even if you have a job, you could still make money online as well. This could be a side income. This could be a side hustle. Maybe you love your job. Maybe you don't. Maybe you're looking for a way how you can either travel. I'm privileged enough to actually be able to work from home. And the reason why I started from home is because I just moved to the US and I couldn't work. I'm originally from Jamaica, by the way. Shout out to any Jamaican that actually watching this video. But I recently moved here because my wife is from the US and we agreed to stay here and I couldn't work. And that's where I started online. I started online in 2017, never looked back. So there's ways out there. There's legitimate companies and ways how you can make money, especially in this day and age. It's not like before where you have to worry. Go and search, do your research, check out reviews, and join a company, especially one that's going to help you get you to where you want to go. All right. I didn't want to make this video too long. I hope you guys enjoy that video. Subscribe. Let me know in the comments, Make Money 2018. If you guys are ready to make money, you ready to make a killing. All right. My name is Andre. Peace. Take care.